guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be showing you guys how I do my edges on regular. I always make sure my edges are done. This week I've been kind of lazy because honestly sometimes I'd rather be late to work than leave with my edges looking crazy. But it does need a break every once in a while, so I've just let it be. But this is how I would typically do my edges when I do it. And when I get my hair done, I make sure I leave out enough hair to do my edges the way I like. And honestly, there's so many different ways to style your edges that you just have to find the style that you like and one that works for you. This is one that I've been doing for a while now, and I feel like I've kind of like just got the hang of it, and I can just like wake up, do it, and head out. So the products and things that I use for this is my Got To Be glue, because I just feel like it lasts me longer. Sometimes I'll use this one, sometimes I'll use the yellow one. I never use the spray because I honestly feel like the spray is just so messy. But it's either this or the yellow one, or I actually used the Eco Styler gel ones, but it's just so watery, I wasn't really feeling it. And then of course your handy dandy edge brush. And then I needed something with like the tail so I can do my little swoop to swoop. And that's all I use. So I'm just gonna get right into the video. Starts to give me a hard time and just not cooperating, because for some reason today of all days it doesn't want to work. I go with my Shine and Jam just to mold it a little bit. This is why I like to take breaks, because like imagine you're putting all these products on your freaking scalp and forehead every day. It's a bit much. Go behaving how it's supposed to behave, and then once it stays how I want it to, I just go over it with the Got To Be to like hold it in place, because the Shine and Jam will not hold. That thing is disrespectful. So then I can go in. Honestly, that part is the hardest part, the part with the most hair. Once I do that, I can just do sideburns are like the easiest part. Some days I might just do that and call it a day, because it really does make a difference when you do your sideburns. This one's already dry. I usually just let this be. I don't really do much with the front part. But let's see. So once I'm done with everything, I take my silk scarf and I just wrap it around it to dry. And voila. So once this part is done, I usually just let it sit for like 15-20 minutes or so, or like I'll just put it on and have it on my ride to work, which is about 15 minutes, and once I get there I take it off. So I just don't like to use cotton, because with the got to be, it like pulls on the product, and then which pulls off your edges, and then the whole thing's just done. Like, you wasted your morning, you wasted your time, you wasted your edges, you wasted your products. Finished. So just get you a silk scarf or something that would just like not pull on the product. This one, like, I'll take it off on camera so you guys can see how I do take it off, because I don't do it like just pull it back. I always pull it forward, just because that's the direction I put the curves in. But yeah, I can't wait till this is done. I'm just gonna let it sit for a little bit to dry. The sides usually just dry, like this one's already done literally, and I don't worry about that. It's just the main parts that I need to make sure is staying in place. And I'll see you guys once this is all done. What is this? I don't know, but I'll be doing it. See you soon. Alright, so I honestly don't know how long it's been, but it should be done now. It's been like at least 15 minutes. So I usually pull it forward, like I said, instead of like pulling it back so it doesn't lift. But baby, so if there's like excess or little strands that are like trying to come out, I usually just go back in with the got to be and just let it air dry. And I go back in as well, like with the spots that are flaking a little bit. But this came out so perfect, girl. Then I have my little curls to just stay out. I'm so happy with the result. It looks so cute. So cute. Oh my god. But that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's honestly sometimes a struggle, like it just doesn't want to behave, and you just take a breather, take it off, and just try again. But make sure you give yourself like an extra time in the morning if you're going to do it in the morning. It's always safe to do it the night before, because you have time to actually deal with all of the extra stuff the ones you do that day. So but yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope you guys did enjoy it and try it out. So I ended up just styling it how I wanted with my shine and jam first, and then I went in with the got to be to like then hold it in place, and then wrapped with my scarf. And that is the entire process. When I went through this process, it took about like 8 minutes to like just style it the way I wanted, and then I just wrapped it for like 15 minutes or so, and that's it. It's easy, it's cute, it's easy when it wants to be. But yeah, that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I really do appreciate everybody who subscribes to this channel. We're growing so fast, and I'm trying to be more consistent, so just show your girl some love. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.